Get up, it's time for school.
There's no school today. No, Mom, we didn't get our report cards yet.
Yeah, like I never eat junk food. Yeah, I weigh like 90 pounds tops. What do you mean you're crunching? I'm not. Oh, I'm treating myself to a Caesar salad. Like I'm going off my diet for a few days. That's the noise. Okay.
Yes, Mom, I need the money for school supplies. Don't worry, Mom, everyone failed. Yeah, I'll probably be there in 5. Ugh. Mom, can I just clean my room when I get home? I promise I'll clean it when I get home. Miss, can I go to the bathroom? And it's gonna take me like the rest of the class because I have a bad stomach. No, I promise I didn't get your call. I'll show you in a sec. Just...
Hello.
Hi, where are you? Are you sleeping?
No, I'm not in bed. No, I'm literally like I'm getting in the car. I'll be there in 5. Yeah, I'm coming. No, like I'm literally like there's so much traffic and I'm stuck in traffic. But like I'm 2 streets away from your house. It's just there's so much traffic. Like this car in front of me won't like it's stopping at the stop sign forever and I can't get around it. But like I'll be there really soon. No, I'm not bailing on you. I'm told like I'm gonna be there in like 2 seconds. Like literally, I'm just in the car. Okay, see you soon. Get off the computer! You need to do your homework!
No, we didn't have homework today. Summer, can I have a piece of gum?
Sorry, I actually don't have any today. No, like I never shit talk anyone. Like I used to in like grade 6, but I was little then and like I'm just over it. Like I never shit talk anyone anymore. Yeah. Oh wait, 1 second, I'm getting another call. Okay, I'll talk to you in like 2 minutes. Hello? Oh my god, yeah, I know, she's such a bitch. Yeah, no, like I'm on the phone with her right now. Yeah. No, she was telling me how she's like doing it on purpose just to make you mad. Yeah, I'm just so over it. Yeah, she thinks she pretends to be such a goody good, like she doesn't talk about anyone, but she totally does. Like she's so annoying. Okay, well she's waiting for me on my other phone, so I have to go. Okay, yeah, but like I'll talk to you later and we'll have like a talk about it, okay? Okay, bye. Hello? Yeah, no, so like as I was saying, yeah, like I'm just so over talking about people, like it's dumb. Yeah, for sure. Okay, see you. Hey guys!
So if you liked our video, please tell us in the comments and like
And hit subscribe!
Okay, oh, and please remember to watch our last video. Bye!